It's a fun day. He is fixing a nice. What do you call this? What do you call this?
¿Qué es el problema?
No, what do you call it? I'm asking you what's the problem. What do you call this dumb thing right here? What do you call this thing?
Panos, no. Lifter problem.
Oh, lifter problem. No, fool. What do you call this? This the whole thing.
Head.
Head. That's your head. That's called an engine.
Engine head.
Oh, okay. So we're fixing that, right?
Yes.
All right. Cool. And as you see here, he has his tools. And
My
this is
beautiful
Danny.
tools, my a lot of tools,
Your what?
my beautiful tools,
You.
my tools,
All right. And
everything.
his toolbox. Oh no, that's not his.
Yes, that's mine.
That's not yours.
Oh, sorry.
And this guy loves looking at women.
Oh yeah.